race. And it looks like we are going to have quite the group here today. 13 heats of competition. The objective will be, they'll go through the start markers here at the Ram Turbo Barrels at the beginning of the course. And they will make their way over, hitch up the log, go through the obstacles, come back toward home, and the clock will stop after the yoke passes through those barrels, heading back toward the gate here. Once again, our judging panel, including Mr. Len Lewis, our track judge from Springfield, Missouri, Mr. Butch Watson, our mule and donkey judge from Bentonville, Arkansas, Don Manuello, and Leah Mackey handling things here on the stopwatches, and our ring stewards as well as scribes. They're set to kick things off on Ryan Loganville, along with Paul Gingrich. We'll be taking you through the runs here, and we'll start things off by introducing to you on the left-hand side of the house, which I'll commentate on throughout the course of the afternoon, reporting here, Alice and Queen, and Brandon Hart is driving here today. That'll be number 149. And Paul, who's on the right?
At lot 155, full and cash, J.C. McDonald on the lines. They're going to over here, hook onto this log, weave through those cones, go around the barrels. That's a good little bit of head-to-head down there, back through and then out. So you go quickly.
We'll keep things exciting in front. There's the whistle to start our first quad off, and it looks like Alice and Queen and Brandon Hart are into the lead early on. Remember, you got to get hitched up on that log before they can go through the obstacles. So really, it's still anyone's opportunity to win.
Here's where it gets a little bit interesting. You've got to reach down, grab that chain. Hopefully you'll get back over.
They're hitched up on the left. Alice and Queen and Brandon Hart are off and running through the obstacles now.
JC having a little trouble with his forward. He's got plenty of reverse over here. First gear seems to be a little hung up. Now they're hooked.
Off and running on the right side as well. Remember, 10 seconds is the penalty when the obstacle is disturbed. 30 seconds each time a log is moved during hookup. There's also 30-second penalty for roping or galloping. They have to stay at the dog or trot all the way. And here comes Alice and Queen back to the finish. We're about to get that time.
Going to bring that log around and put it back where you found it. Unhook and then through.
Try to do that quickly, and then they'll make their way back through this finish line. The clock will stop once they have crossed through the barrels. Alice and Queen are in the front of the back.